Guys, let's put Uncle some gift for buy a lunch today. Thanks for the finger eye.
Thank you.
And you feel what, Tiana? What you want up here?
Who that?
The
Add
person.
me.
What's your name? The real Tiana. What you want up here, miss?
Me know where she want and she not say no gift, she not say no blood clot. But she
And
want
she
to go
not
out.
tap the fucking screen either.
Nobody eat that, so. Nobody no eat that, so nobody not. Nobody no eat that, so blood clot, yes, so no bueno. But suck Africa front. Africa must go and yard sleep now because she sell pussy last night. Me not adding you. You look
And
up,
she
you
knows
look.
that she just want to come up here for trace.
Yeah, I'm in you today. I'm not you got blood clot. I'm in you today this morning. Saturday morning hungry.
So the morning just light, guys. The morning just light.
Not today, miss. Not today.
We're not rest.
Morning, Uncle. I'm at work, so I'm gonna mute, okay? Because I'm at work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So take it on then.
I'll stay in the comment because I'm at work.
Okay, darling.
Let's send Uncle some roses and money from and anything. One thing that art anything.
Weird, like me said.
Everybody in the comments I talk about your trouble Rosealee. You can't block them.
We should make video, Uncle.
Uncle, I miss you comment them, man.
Yeah, we should make video. Just come
Miss, my friend.
on a bag.
When you do, come here, do that. So, yes, when you do.
But you know what, coming some things from the man, right? And can't say not even one.
What is the uncle? You gonna do a video?
Yeah, me I do a video for Rosealee. Come me. What me say? Me never say nothing bad.
And then what? Talk about your trouble.
Everybody have big blood clap. I'm not busy with Rosealee. Rosealee, when me breathe with
Thanks for the donut. Thank you.
Where Rosealee have me for bad man, Rosealee have blood class. Me speaking have that blood class. Come me speaking never get nothing up a win friend blood class, sure. That is a highlight.
Uncle.
Me see the video. Me see it. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream.
Like our last night should make it feel.
You sure what I want now? Hello?
Go on, Uncle. I'm not come for this, you know, so nobody reel me up, you know.
No, me not say hello. Me not say hello. Me no know who. Me not say hello. Come if you know how to come here, so we make problems.
No, I'm not depend that, Uncle. None of that.
No, me not say hello.
Understand what
Yeah,
why
come
people
from
are
life.
coming some things. So me I tell them if I give him and then you say you there and want it yourself like
You come to my life yesterday and jump off, uncle. How go on?
No, go on. Them talk about Rosealee. What me know about Rosealee?
Yeah, me used to share this yo. And this yo pass you want beer and them thing there. And me you say you smell good. Me don't know what kind of talking that.
Yeah, about Rosealee. Every day Rosealee want beer. Big stinking Rosealee.
The people man your uncle make them dry out there. Yeah, do better in life.
And upon the party she run come out me. But upon blood clot Rosealee. Big stink Rosealee call. Well upon the blood clot sheer.
None of them can say that. Chat alone them can chat.
Chat alone. The people man
Ever fresh and clean.
Of a Richmond with them sure. And the people that say Rosealee couldn't set that the blood clot sheer. Where she come walk
Ever look
come
good.
stick to me.
No pussy test.
Boy, the fresh what they do, the clean do, uncle.
Yeah,
Nah.
uncle is clean and look fresh.
Yeah. They look clean, man.
Me not lie, uncle always look clean. So me not know where Rose get that from.
But they must say you first this our uncle.
Because this I say what?
We don't know. After I'm not too follow up them thing there, no.
Everybody, people,
Thanks to Galaxy.
Thank you, Kelly.
people have the something. I talk about Rosealee clothes, and I can see you. I'm a comment. Everybody never comment on things on my video. What me say? No social media.
True.
And people that talk. What me do? What I do? Look how they do me. Me care fuck. Me not care. Then bring me down wicked.
You still there.
Me still there to blood clot. I want a bomber clot Rosealee.
That is it, uncle.
Big up yourself, you know, Kelly.
Thanks, Kelly.
Thanks. The girl, me come with her, me sit down tell her me attack. The girl say, Jeffrey, I miss Piggy.
Thank you, Kelly.
Then what you say? Don't come and tell people this me, I'm class.
True. I never accept fire for true, Derrick. Oh, God, man.
I last time someone, one girl, she come up on my life and ask my blood clot funeral.
Well,
tell me
I'm
what-
going to comment to ask about funerals same way. If you're not.
Yeah. Me not look on my blood clot.
Oh, them a talk about such person. Them a talk about...
Make you a moderator, cause I'm thick as one of them blood clot.
They can't give me three, no, uncle. I'm gonna look out for them too. Everybody for your life, man. I don't know. You follow me? You know? Everybody for my life, but we the other yesterday, but I don't know.
Not even follow about me. You know what I'm here asking?
Let me see if you follow me on that page. Yeah. You follow me? Yeah, you follow me.
Yeah, me follow you.
But uncle bad mind are fast. Eh?
What Rosealee have? Rosealee have a house. Rosealee have a house. Rosealee have money. Rosealee have anything. For bad man, Rosealee. Now beg what we come on TikTok come beg. Rosealee have to blood clot.
Everybody come to beg, so. Uncle a bad mind for. Oh, hi Kelly.
Oh, Kelly, what?
Kelly says she a Maca Diamond friend.
Yeah. May I beg her something?
She just said one Galaxy too.
They say I'm Galaxy uncle, man.
Thank you. Me never beg her nothing. What she have talk about bad man.
Your belly ever full, uncle, after you not walk and beg them. Your belly ever full.
And ever eat up in
Rosealee see me ever a buy friend from TikTok. Rosealee buy blood clad friend from this app here so. Rosealee buy friend from them on TikTok. To make them love
You
she.
moderator, uncle. Here is a person boy you need Christ. What are this?
Me give my child moderator and she not me even do nothing.
Uncle me I mute them for you.
Oh, sorry, we never see.
Gone.
Gone.
Yeah, the comment gone.
We never bad man. When me a bad man, Rosealee for Rosealee have any. Rosealee don't have a blood clot house. Rosealee have nothing. It's a one bomber clot room. Rosealee now. One. Rosealee can't show a kitchen. Rosealee can't show not a blood clot. You me I tell you. So what more gonna bad man Rosealee?
guys gonna join the team as well. So post
Join the team.
The girl used to sell peanut. The girl used to sell blood clot peanut at town. We could have had my blood clot Rosalie for. She took up on Winfield William Bomber class show. But she get
But
from
you're not
Winfield
sleeping
William.
in a guest house again, uncle. So what they matter about?
You can go on it too, but I just time. Anybody can go on it.
Anybody can go on Winfield William show. Where she get on Winfield William show?
But you're famous, so you can't go on it too. So what do you mean by?
Me don't know where Rosalie go on Winfield William Road go talk say. But she go talk say. My Rosalie move a big bomber club with a pink apron frock. Come now, my friend. Hello.
Hear them both are you wrong for trouble the lady. Who that?
We got trouble at blood clot. No, we got trouble now. We got trouble now.